Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Masood and I welcome everyone to this channel Masood Ibn Abdul Wahid. And in this today's short video, we are going to see how can we install ESP8266 Wi-Fi board and ESP32 Wi-Fi board in Arduino IDE. Because nowadays we are more concerning about Internet of Things, and to reach Internet of Things through Arduino microcontroller we need these two Wi-Fi boards called as ESP8266 and ESP32 boards. So when you download the Arduino software, these two boards will not be available in default. So we have to select these two boards and we have to install this in the Arduino IDE before starting our IoT projects using Arduino microcontroller. So come, let us see how to install these two boards. So first what you have to do is open the Arduino IDE and go to files, go to the preferences, and you can see here additional board managers. I have already selected here. So how to select this? Just click on this icon. You can see click for list of boards. It will be directed to a web page. So for doing this you need a Wi-Fi connection or internet connection. So in this GitHub page you have to scroll down and you can see most of the nowadays used Arduino add-on boards. So in this, for today's discussion, so we are discussing about these two boards, ESP8266 community boards and ESP32 community boards. So what we have to do is we have to select these two links, copy. We have to copy these two links and we have to go to the Arduino and paste here. You can see already pasted here. Click OK, and here also click OK. As I have already installed, I am clicking cancel, but you have when you are installing for the first time, you have to click OK. And after clicking those OKs, you have to go to tools, board manager, and click the board manager. So whatever the boards you have already installed, it will be updated here, and here you can click ESP8266. You can see this board is getting downloaded into the Arduino IDE. Now we have to install this. For that you have to click here and select the latest version and you have to click install. Okay, already I have installed, so it is coming as installed here. So when you are doing it for the first time, you have to click this install and then it will be a taskbar will be opened here and the board will be get installed. Same like this, after this is installed you have to type ESP32. So same procedure, when you type ESP32 it will be popped up here, it will be shown here, and you can select the version, latest version, and you can click install. As I have already installed, it is coming installed here. So when you click the install for the first time, so you can see here, you can see a taskbar and you can see the progress of it, and it will be slowly getting installed. After everything got over, click close, and after that you can go to the tools, and previously before installation you can see only these many boards in the Arduino IDE, but after installation of ESP32 boards and ESP8266 boards, you can see plenty of Wi-Fi supported boards. See, these are the, this is the starting point where it is starting. So ESP32 Arduino boards, Wi-Fi boards. So you can see ESP32 community boards, plenty are there here, and you can see all these are ESP32 community boards, and you can see here below that ESP32 community dev kit. So you can see these are the ESP8266 boards. You have generic board, you have generic ESP8266, you have generic ESP8285, and you have node MCU, which is ESP12 module and ESP12E module. All the ESP8266 community boards are also got installed. So once this is done, it is all set ready. You can just, if you want to check an example program, go to the examples and you can go to the ESP32 and you can select any of those example and you can compile it. You can download it into the ESP32 board and you can check the performance of it. You can check the operation of that. Okay. So thanks for watching.